side, kept the comfortable click.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am going to work very soon, so I'm filming a quick tutorial. I received the beautiful Urban Decay Naked Cherry collection like a month ago. Yeah, I'm a little bit late to the party, but I just love this palette so much. I think it is so beautiful. Urban Decay packaging is just always so amazing. So I'm very excited about trying this palette today. I have not touched it yet because, oh, there we go. I haven't touched it yet because I wanted to do like a first impression. I'm just very excited about this palette. I think it contains so many beautiful colors. I love that there's like a deep rich brown. I love the like matte blending colors. I love this color, this color. I think my look is mainly gonna be like matte today because, oh, my eyebrow reflection. That's nice. Yeah, I've just been so excited about diving into this palette, and I actually received the full collection, like all 3 lipsticks, liners, everything like that. So I'm gonna try on as much as possible for you guys today. Let's get started. I already primed my eyelid with the Urban Decay Minerson primer, and I'm gonna start with my crease. I will start blending with these 2 colors right here. Those 2, very nice. So I'm just taking a MAC 217 brush and I'm gonna start applying my crease. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I already love this palette. This color by itself is like, ah! So I'm sure you guys know already that my favorite Urban Decay palette is the Naked Heat palette that came out last spring, I think it was. I have used that palette to death and I still use it at least once a week. I just love the consistency. I just love the pigmentation. I love all the colors. I think it's just a beautiful palette, really. My favorite collection from Urban Decay this year was the Kristen Leanne palette, or entire collection actually. I've already used up a bunch of the products from that collection because I thought it was so good. I also did a review on the Backtalk collection that came out also in spring this year. I wasn't the biggest fan of the way the palette was set up. I felt like it lacked a little bit of depth. And I think that's the good thing about this palette because it definitely, you can, like, this is one color. Oh my god. Okay, so this was just using the color called Bing, which is insane. I am so surprised that it's so pigmented. I'm gonna go in with the color Devilish right next to this one. You guys have no idea how much effort it took me not to touch this palette for the past month. I've been so excited about actually trying it, but like I just knew that I wanted to do like a first impression for you. I think these 2 colors alone are so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna use these a lot this winter. I think I'm gonna try dipping into Juicy's, the peach color, just like a tiny amount. I'll just blend this out onto the outer edges of my crease because I wanted something a little bit softer. I had no idea that the other colors would be so pigmented. I love this palette already. I'm so excited. I've only had to wipe away like a tiny amount of fallout, so I think that's actually a very big plus as well. There's like very minimal fallout under my eyes here, but it's basically nothing. So there are 2 24/7 Glide On eye pencils in this collection. One is called Love Drug, one is called Black Market. I'll just do a little bit of a swatch for you guys. One is like a plummy purple, one is more of a black with glitter. These are some of my favorite eyeliners because they're just so pigmented and so blendable, and they also last ages on the eyes. So this is Love Drug and this is Black Market. I want to go in with Love Drug just on my waterline, just to deepen that up, and we might go in with a little bit of Black Market as well. I just want this look to be super intense and super smoky. I'm dipping into Devilish again. I think I'm actually gonna mix Bing and Devilish on my Sigma E30 pencil brush, just to sort of blend that out. These eyeliners set so fast, it's actually insane. I'm gonna dip into a little bit of Privacy just to deepen that up a little bit because I want it to be very dark around the eyes. I want to just dip into a little bit of Black Market just on my waterline to really deepen that up. Quickly gonna do this on the other eye as well. Okay, perfect. I think these blend so well. I love the depth you can get with these colors. I think it just looks really beautiful. I'm going to just with my finger apply a little bit of Bang Bang right on the center of my eyelid because I kept that sort of clean. I just wanted a little bit of brightness right there. Also just to add a little bit of texture because everything else is quite matte. Oh, this is so good, guys. I am in love. It's been a long time since I was actually this excited about a palette, so it feels really good. I'll just apply some mascara and some lashes. There we go. A little bit of Troublemaker Mascara from Urban and some Duff lashes. We're ready to try on the lipsticks. As far as I know, there are 3 different lipsticks in the collection. One is called Cherry, one is Juicy, and one is Devilish. I think 2 of them are metallic, and I know that my grandmother already called dibs on one of them. So I'm gonna just swatch it for you guys and then let's see. So the first one, Devilish, is like a pinkish cherry color.
Rookie for a castle like tuition for a final, playing hooky for a tassel. Spend a minute on.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna be better on my grandmother than me.
When the record low, temps feel the wind blow. Only ride rhythm to the tardiest of tempos. Only ride shotgun.
So Devilish, if you're into those really metallic like 90s lipsticks, then this is gonna be perfect for you.
You should tell us where the hell is all the paper. But memories keep coming back.
The packaging on these are really cute though. There's like a little cherry and a metallic like pinkish case. This one is called Cherry. I'm assuming this is a cream. This is Cherry. I think this is a beautiful color. I love that it's so shiny. I think it goes well with the eye look. It's definitely like a vampy color. I had a little bit of trouble applying it without a lip liner because I'm so used to using like liquids or lip liners now. I think this color will be beautiful as like a smoky, like diffused lip, which I'm definitely gonna try for a look. Yeah, I really like this color a lot. The third and final color, Juicy, is also a metallized like glitter lipstick, but it's more of a nude. I think it will look well with the eye color up here. This one I do really like as well. It's like a nude, like a warm nude with sort of a slight pink shift. It looks very nice, like very juicy on the lips. I think this is what looks best with the eyes because they're so heavy, but I think if you did like a light look with a liner, the dark color like cherry would be so nice. So this is my naked cherry look for today. I really like the way that it turned out. I love Urban Decay's products in general. Like, it's definitely one of my all-time favorite brands. If I had to say go or no go for the collection, I would definitely say go. I enjoyed the palette, I enjoyed the liners, I enjoyed, well, basically everything except for that pink metallic lipstick that my grandmother is gonna love. I would definitely say go for the palette. This is gonna be a beautiful addition to any makeup collector's collection. The colors blended out so smoothly. I love that you can get the depth that I got today. I love that there's some more like plum, like berry cherry colors, and I love that there's more of like the peaches as well. I'm super excited about doing a look with more of the lighter colors over here. I want to do like a sort of like a cut crease, winged liner kind of thing. So I would definitely get the palette. This is absolutely beautiful. So what do you guys think? Have you tried the collection? Are you gonna go buy it? Are you wishing for it for Christmas? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching. This was like sort of a quick get ready with me. I had like 45 minutes to do this video, but I just have to get it done because I'm so far behind on collections. If you don't already, please feel free to follow me on Instagram at Saline. I am also on Facebook, and I also have a blog that I never update. I will have links for all of that down below. If there are any types of videos that you guys would like for me to film, let me know in the comments, and if nothing else, I will see you hopefully in my next video.